In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine splash shield located under the front of the vehicle on your Acura MDX. Let's get started. Starting on this side of the vehicle, there's going to be one Phillips. Let's remove it. Now there's going to be a couple 10 millimeters. In this case, these two bolts are broken. So let's move on to here. Moving to the center of the vehicle, in this case, we have this one broken, but we have these two, so let's take them off. Your vehicle is going to have one 10 millimeter on this area and one right here. In this case, both of ours are broken, so now we can move on to the clips. Now that we removed the 10 millimeter bolts, we can remove all the clips. Your vehicle is going to have one over here. In our case, it's missing. So let's move on to this one. Using a clip removal tool, we're going to pull them off. We're going to be replacing them, so it's okay if they break. Let's remove this one. And lastly, we have these two holding it in place. Once you remove the last one, just simply slide it out of the way. Now we're ready to install the new one and simply slide it in place the same way it came out. Start with the clips in the back just to lock it in place. Now we can put the clips that go on this area, line it up with the hole, and clip it on. And now we're ready to install the 10 millimeter bolts that goes right here. In our case, it was broken, so we outsourced a different one. And just get it snug. Now we're ready to install the Phillips screw head on this hole. Line it up and just snug it up. Now we're ready to install the other 10 millimeter bolt that goes right here. Like I mentioned previously, we had to outsource ours because it was broken. So install it and snug it up. Moving on to the center, we're going to install the new clips on these three holes. Line it up and push them in. Now we're going to install these 10 millimeter bolts. In our case, this one right here snapped inside, so we're not going to be putting that one on. Starting by hand. And snug them up. And now we can install the Phillips head. It goes right over here. Start it by hand. And snug it down. And now we can install this clip. Now we can install the 10 millimeter bolt that goes right here. Start it by hand. And snug it up. And lastly, we're going to install the last 10 millimeter bolt that goes right here. Start it off by hand. And snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.